following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A nuclear power plant located outside of Lambert, Montana has suffered catastrophic damage from an unknown source, and a nuclear meltdown is imminent. Dangerous chemicals and radioactive material will likely fall within a 50-mile radius of the plant. Those located within 10 to 15 miles of this nuclear power plant are urged to evacuate immediately. Those within a 50-mile radius are urged to shelter in place. Radioactive material can cause severe and lifelong health problems.